There's no place like working from home, brought to you by HPECSE Bangalore. I'm Ara and I'm going to get this fantabulous session today for you called Yogic Breath. An amalgamation of meditation with workout, which is yoga. Okay, so today you will not only lose weight, but you will also have beautiful meditations, which is going to kind of center you. Now, during the time of lockdown, it is very important that your physical fitness and your mental health both are taken care of. And that's exactly why we have got this for you instead of a plain yoga. But before I take you in that direction, I think I want to know who all are here on screen with me, who all have joined us. Let me check. Let me welcome my lovely people here. Okay, so first and foremost, I see a beautiful, gorgeous lady here, and her name is Shikha. Okay, all right. Shikha is going to join us very soon. Can I have your videos on? Come on, guys. I need to see your videos on Surendranath, Mohan, Sanya, Tabitha, Surendranath. Oh, yes, there you go. Hi, hello, very good morning, very warm welcome. It's good to see you're up and about, yes? Nice. Can you unmute yourself? We can all unmute ourselves in the beginning till the time we're talking so that you can also speak. So we have Niharika. Niharika, can you unmute yourself, please? Can you?
Hi, good morning.
Good morning. Wow. You look all fresh. How do you manage to do that?
This is my exercise time. So yeah, all pepped up for yoga session today.
Nice. So, oh, that is your son, is it?
Yeah.
He's so cute. Hi.
Thank you. Say hi. Bye.
Oh, he's really cute. Hi. So you also do a little yoga with us, okay, beta?
Yeah, he does exercise with me, so he'll do it.
Wow, fabulous. All right. Okay, so a very warm welcome, Niharika. Today we don't have pure yoga. Okay, what we have done is we've taken instances of it. Like we have used our breath work from there and certain postures. Okay, just pure yoga kind of becomes very slow for people, and also it is very near to meditation. But meditation is no mind, and yoga offers you focus and concentration. So we had to mix the both. So we have mixed both. See, this is something new. Probably you will love it. Yes. Okay, so very warm welcome to you. Now I can't see Sunil, I can't see Sanya, Tabitha, where are you, Surendranath? I can't see you guys. Come on. Vijay, please put your videos on. It is very important for you to put the videos on. Reason being, this session has very intensive breath work. All right. Also, certain postures are very critical. They are not that easy, and I would not like you all to do it in any kind of other way, which can be wrong and you can get injured. So, to take care of that, I have to keep watching you guys so that if there is something not in place, I can immediately correct it for you. Okay. Also, if you don't do the correct postures or breathing, it's not anyways going to help you. So, it's very important for me to see you guys. Please put your videos on. I would have made a phone call with you all if it was only to hear your voice. I want to see you all. So please put your videos on. I still can't see Tabitha. Come on, guys. This is not happening, okay? What's the point of just checking in and not working out? If you are even sitting there and watching, it's okay, but put your videos on. Doesn't matter. I know it's the morning. You might be in your pajamas and stuff like that. Just does not matter. Please put your videos on. That is very important, okay? Now, let me tell you about the 5 rules. I think you must be knowing about that, but still I will kind of update you. Number 1 rule, 3 times video on, video on, video on. Number 2 rule, please punch in your real names. No artificial names, no coding, no numbers. Please do not do all that. It is very funny. And I promise you, I will kind of, put in some funny thing along with that code of yours, and you will be stuck with that name for the entire year. So don't do that. Don't mess with me. So put your real names, punch in your real names, very important. Then in your background, no extra sounds, no extra people, okay? Please understand these 35 minutes that we are going to meditate. It's only 35-minute session, but very rigorous. But these 35 minutes are your time. It's your time. Away from your responsibilities, away from everything that you've been doing in your life, professionally, personally. Some time for yourself. Your time from your life. Okay, so stay with yourself. Please lock yourself in the room. No backgrounds whatsoever. Okay, and then mic, very important. Your mic has to stay on mute during one. I will say that now we are starting beginning with the session, so then you can go on mute. But till then, you can keep it unmuted so that if you want to talk to me, you want to say something, you can do that. You can also, by the way, type if you need to. Say something, comment something, but please understand if I'm sitting behind, which I will go after a while, so then I won't be able to read you, okay? But once, anyways, I'll go behind when the session is getting started, and once we start the session till the end, there is no communication on one-to-one basis. I will simply in between keep giving little instructions, okay? So initially, we are going to have a lot of talking because I have to explain to you in detail what we are going to do. Now, someone says, hi, Ada, good morning, Vijay. Hi, Vijay. Very good morning, but I can't see you. I need to see your face, your good, handsome looking face. Please show it to all of us. Please come up. Can we have your video on? And we have Sumant with us. Hi. Good morning, Sumant. Very good morning. All right, you're all ready for the yogic breath, is it?
Yep.
Nice, nice, nice. A very warm welcome to you. What kind of meditation have you done? What kind of exercises do you do, Sumant, normally?
Nothing, just a little yoga, that's all. Surya Namaskar.
Surya Namaskar. That's the best thing to do, by the way. That's the best thing. If you can do your Surya Namaskars every day, you don't need nothing. And then, of course, sitting in silence, not to forget. But well, today what we're going to do, Sumant, is a combination of yoga and meditation. Okay, so it's not going to be pure yoga. And so there is a lot of breath work that we are going to do. Be ready for it. Please get your water bottles. You will really get thirsty as there is intensive breath work involved. Without your water bottles, you are not going to be all right. Okay, so take your water, take your napkin because you are going to sweat for sure. Okay. So let me tell you a little bit more. I still don't have people on videos. I am so disappointed. This is just not happening. Please get up on the video. Please get up on the video. Now I have a declaration. Let me tell you, today we are going to give away one very beautiful gift to one person who's going to really show the full intensity, full totality involved. Okay. So you're going to get a gift. You're going to win a gift. Towards the end, we will decide who has been the best participant, and that participant is going to get the gift. But that is going to be possible only if your video is on. Get the video on. Okay. All right. Now I have a question. You can put it in the chat to answer, or you can unmute yourself and answer. What are you really looking out for today? Weight loss, mental peace, or is it a balance of both? You can type in, or you can also unmute yourself and say whatever you want to say. Yes. Mental peace, and that is Niharika. Okay, Niharika, you're looking out for mental peace. Great. That you will for sure get. Do your breathing really well and you will get that. Sumant, what are you looking at?
Peace.
Peace. It is amazing. You know, lockdown has really shaken up people big time. I have been doing loads of sessions. And initially, you know, we used to get such kind of sharings that, oh, meri zindagi mein ye ho gaya, this is what has happened in my life, and it's traumatic, and I'm sad, and I don't know how to handle it. But now, it is very heart-wrenching to see that 90% of the cases are all depressed. There are cases of depression, because obviously, you know, there's so much of anxiety and fear. No one is knowing what is happening. You're not going out, you're not meeting people, and that's not what human is about. We have 6 senses, and out of which we are not using almost 3 of them. You know, you can't really touch people, you can't smell them, and it is not a very good feeling, you know, to go through that. Aapka khana bhi aap dekho, even if you're like, you know, you watch on your so many YouTube videos, but There is nothing much you can do with that. It's good looking food, but you can't touch it, you know. Everything has become virtual. Same as with the people. You can't hold hands. Virtually, you write H, right? Well, that is really
yeah.
Yes, yes. It is not living with almost two senses of yours is not a very good idea. You can't taste, you can't smell, you can't touch. There are three senses missing from our lives suddenly, and that's why we're all shaken up. Not natural. We have Tabitha with us. Good morning, Tabitha.
Good morning.
You're ready.
Yes, but just watching to learn. I will try it out later.
You won't be able to try it out later, Tabitha, because I suggest whatever that little you can do, at least do a little.
Okay.
Because if you sit and watch later on and there is not someone to let you know, because this is very intensive. Okay, get a taste of it. How much can you really take it? It's very important. Okay, so do a little. जो भी हो सकता है, जितना breathing हो सकता है. And anyways, most of these exercises you can do on the chair. The ones that you have to lie down, which is just one stage, you don't have to worry about. You can sit.
All right.
Yes, super. Tabitha, what are you looking at? Just some mental peace, weight loss. What are you looking at today? No, nothing. Just sitting.
Yes.
Okay.
Just joining in.
Just joining in. All right. Keep breathing at least. Yeah. So that it will really do a lot to you. If you get a taste today, I promise you will not leave this one. Okay, guys, I am not seeing your videos on. Come on, quickly. Sunil, Surendranath, Vijay, where are you? Mohan, where are you? I can't see you guys. Please come up on the video. Not happening at all. Now, I am going to tell you a little bit about the work that I have done. You should know. The one who's today, whose hands are in. This is very dangerous that you're simply taking from someone. So I'm going to tell you a little bit. I've been with meditations and healing therapies for 23 years now. I have been learning and conducting them, not only in India, but across US and Europe and Southeast Asia and stuff like that. I not only do meditations, but very intensive healing therapies, which right now I can't really do with you guys. I specialize in relationship counseling. So most of the cases where husbands and wives are the loggerheads, that is what I kind of try and solve, and we have, fortunately, with the help of these methods, been able to save many divorces till now. I've been working with Gen Z today, the generation today, because they're going through a lot of peer pressure. They're all in their heads. Do you realize that? आज की generation बिल्कुल अपने दिमाग में. You feel that almost their hearts are missing. It's like something is missing out of them, but it's not their fault. They're bombarded with so much information in their life that they just have to live with it, right? So obviously, so many senses not used, they're falling all apart. So we work a lot with them. We personally go to schools, make them do meditations, and it's amazing how it works on their memory skills, on how they look at their lives, how soft they become towards their parents and stuff like that. We work with IT professionals big time, because with IT, definitely two things that happens is that you're sitting all the time. So your spine is in trouble most of the time. And when the spine is in trouble, because it discs kind of start losing the space, your blood circulation in the nerves gets affected and you develop loads of ailments, right? So that is taken care of with this for sure. And secondly, again, you're bombarded with so much of information. So there will always, everything is perfect. There is money, there is this, there is that, but you're restless all the time. That will be taken away with this. If you really intensely, totally breathe with us, it will happen with you. So that is that. That is all about me. I just want to, yes, very good morning. And we have, okay, it is just Sumantha stay in the place. Okay. All right, guys, let's move to yogic breath. Before that, what is meditation to you? What forms of meditations have you done? You can chat, you can write, or you can peace. Okay. All right. So yes, I need to know, could you please write down what kind of meditations have you done before? Do you know what is meditation for you? You can speak, you can unmute yourself. Sumant, are you there? Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Yes. Tell me who has done meditations and what is meditation for you?
No, I couldn't do any meditation because I can't concentrate.
But you do yoga, right?
Not yoga, it's just Surya Namaskar, that's all.
Okay, all right, fine. So let me tell you today, when we talk about meditations, generally people think sitting, watching your breath, affirmations, maybe listening to sound and chanting, all these are meditations. They are, but they are called passive meditations and they don't work on you at all if you don't do passive, active meditations, okay? So it is like you guys, you are a hard drive, your system is like a hard drive, and there is so much information already inside that when you put in the new information, if there is little space left, you have memory loss because you don't know where it is. So it takes a lot of time to get oriented about where that stuff is. Secondly, most of the time people are full. So nothing works on them. Your system will crash, your hard drive will crash. Active meditation, what it does is it empties you. It takes all that unwanted, stuff out, your cache is out, and then it puts the new stuff inside. So it really works big time for you. Then the passive meditations will work for you. Now, active meditation means what? So we do a lot of breath work, we work with a lot of sound, we work with dancing, we work with catharsis, but they are very, very intensive. So get ready for it. So many masters across the world, so many techniques. Which one is meant for you? We don't know. We are going to try and find that out, okay? Because when you have fever, you are not going to take a medicine for your stomach ache, right? Exactly like that for every person, for every phase, every situation, there's a different meditation. Today, what we have designed for you is on the platform of what we are going through. Okay, so you don't have to worry. It is going to give you 100% result if you do it 100%. You will burn around 300 plus calories if you are really with it. Okay, and I don't need to explain you about yoga. Now, yogic breath is a combination of yoga, breath work, and also cord cutting. I'm not explaining you yoga. You know what is yoga. Breath work, fastest way of oxygenating your body. What is happening inside your body is your heart basically pumps 7,000 liters of blood a day. Okay, 70% goes to your brain, 30% to your body. Now, what is the pumping of blood doing? It's purifying your blood and sending oxygen to your brain. But when you're in stress, your heartbeats get compromised, and so the process of purification, right? So there is a lot of impure blood that starts getting supplied to your brain, and there is malfunction. That is what you know as, yeah, I'm not remembering things. You start forgetting things. You start losing the orientation. You start, and therefore you start getting angry on small little things. You start snapping at people. You can't make decisions, and your professional and personal life comes tumbling down. After a while, since there is so much of stress, unfortunately, it is snowballing effect. Initially, you'll not realize it, but after that, you realize what is wrong with me. Initially, your serotonin, endorphins, and dopamine, they support you to fight with this. But after a while, when you go under that layer, they are no more secreted in your body, and you go into depression. And that's why we have been facing so many cases of depression, especially in Mumbai right now. So this is the fastest way of reversing that entire damage done to your brain, because it oxygenates your brain immediately, and also it secretes hormones, the happy hormones, like endorphins and stuff like that. That is what breath work does for you. Cord cutting, I'll answer it later. It is not required right now. So, all right, once again, I'm going to tell you, be total in what you are going to do. No calls, no messages, no mobile phones. Again, no backgrounds. Please stop all that. Just come to yourself. Let's begin with the meditation. Warning, anybody has a spine injury will not do the exercises which are related to spine. If you see me moving my spine there or bending like that, you will not do those, okay? If you have breathing issues, slow down. It's absolutely fine to slow down or stop if you need to. If you have a knee problem, there are certain exercises that I'm going to stand up and do. Please don't do them. Most of the time, I'm in my Vajrasana like that, but for knee problem, it is not good. So you can sit with cross legs, or you can also sit on a chair. It's absolutely fine. Yes? Yeah, I guess that's that. This is the only thing. Let's begin. Everyone, take a deep breath in. And exhale. One more deep breath in. Hold. Exhale and close your eyes. One last deep breath in. And exhale. All right. Open your eyes. Today we are going to use 3 kinds of breaths. The first one is the deep and intense one, which is for your lower body, your lower chakras. Then we have rhythmic breathing, for which the sound will really help you, okay? Which is in the space of your solar plexus to your heart and to your throat. And then we have also breath of fire. Don't forget, breath of fire is nothing but Kapalbhati. Kapalbhati kijiye, that is breath of fire, okay? We are going to use that in certain exercises. I will tell you where to use it. And last is the breath of relaxation, which is generally done for the top chakras, right? So today we are going to open all these chakras, realign them for you so that your health falls in place, your mental peace falls into place. The entire exercise is in sets, small little sets, and after every set you will have a section of silence where you have to face your palms towards the sky, so it's the receiving of energy. You're also supposed to close your eyes and turn your eyeballs, your eyes towards the third eye, and simply deep breathe. You have to simply breathe deep. That's it. That's your silence. Keep watching. It will stay for just a couple of seconds and we'll move to the other section of set. Okay? All right. Let's open our chakras before we begin to work on them. What you're going to do is start breathing in installments from your lower chakras to your upper chakras. Can I please request everyone also to come back on the video? Please switch on your videos. Hi there, welcome. Please switch on your videos quickly. Okay, so please don't do this without my assistance because there are certain instances that are going to be very intense. I don't want you to hurt yourself. Okay, coming back to breathing. Starting with root chakra, we'll go to hara, we'll go to solar plexus, heart, throat, third eye, and crown. This is how you're going to breathe. So I have taken small little breaths, filled myself till here, and released it. Root chakra, root chakra, hara, solar plexus, heart, throat, third eye, and crown. Hold and exhale. Okay, let's begin. I will keep saying this thing for you. I'll keep repeating the name of the chakras. Please begin. Small little breaths, full till here. 1, 2, 3. Root chakra, hara, solar plexus, heart, throat, third eye, crown chakra, and exhale. Once again, root chakra, hara, solar plexus, heart, throat, third eye, crown, and exhale. One more time, root chakra, hara, solar plexus, heart, throat, third eye, crown. Exhale. One more time, root, hara, solar plexus, heart, throat, third eye, crown. Exhale. Root chakra, hara, solar plexus, heart, throat, third eye, crown. Exhale. Last time. root chakra, hara, solar plexus, heart, throat, third eye, crown, and exhale. Close your eyes, sit and meditate. Your eyes turned up towards the third eye. Okay, time to begin with our meditation. We are going to start with our session over here. Get ready to sweat it out. Very warm welcome to the new ones who have just walked in. I can't read your names, so I'm going to later on again come back and communicate with you. Hope you have your water bottles and your napkin with you because you're going to sweat and you'll really get thirsty. This is intensive breath work. Put your videos on, guys. Please put your videos on. Do not do this without me knowing what you're doing. You will please hurt yourself. So please, please, please put your videos on. Let's begin. On the very first section, I'm going to explain to you the breath work. Sit in the Vajrasana if you can, amazing. If you can't, folded legs are fine. On your chair, you're all right, no problem. Now when you will breathe in, you will go towards your front. When you will breathe out, your spine will curl up like that, okay? So you will go. Mind well, it's not your head going like this. Head is there, but it's your spine going front and back, front and back. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. With this, you will, for the first one, you will keep your hands on your root chakra. You will start, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. When you keep doing this, there will be a bell sound. Then you are going to shift your hands to your solar plexus. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. And then there will be a bell sound again. You will shift your hands to your knees. This is for your heart chakra. Straighten your hands, put your hands on your knees. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. And then you will sit in silence and meditate. We are going to begin with the session. This is your first section, and then I will keep you on explaining. The rest of it is pretty much simple. You'll be able to get it. Console, let's have the track, please. Can we have the music? Everyone, get ready. Go. Your eyes are closed. Your eyes are closed. eyes towards your third eye. Deep breathing. Okay. This exercise was brilliant for your spine, opening up your spine. Please stand up. We are going to the next one. Please stand up quickly. Keep your feet wide like this. Your left toe is facing in the front. Your right toe is facing to your right. Left to front and right toe to your right. Now, bend your right knee. Put your hand, your right hand, right in front of you on the right side. Look towards the hand, your hand, look towards your hand. I have my hands are fisted, okay? They're not open. So your hand, you have a fist, you're looking there in the front, eyes are open, and you will pull a bow over here, okay? Now, all the root chakra exercises, as I told you before, Hara and root, deep breathing. So don't forget that. I'm going to explain again. Left toe front, right toe towards the right. You are going to bend your right knee, have your right hand in front of you, face towards the hand, pull a bow. Very important. Please see both the hands are in one line. And then we are going to deep breathe. Please know this is the center of your security, of your well-being, and it is very important to get grounded, to have a very, very tough core, very strong core. That's what we're going to do. Deep breathing. All right. Now, we again stand with the feet apart. Now, these two exercises, body-wise, they work a lot on your thighs and your glutes. So, it's brilliant for that, okay? And from root chakras, we are definitely strengthening them. So, you are going to stand with your toes facing a little diagonally outside, knees in line with the toes, and you are going to Have deep breathing when you're going down and coming up. It's a little faster than the last time. Hands at the root chakra. So you are going. This is for your hara and for your root. Know that this can release you a lot from the unhealthy practices that we have in our lives. It can get you the ability to connect. Let's do it. Keep going. Just few seconds more for us. Few seconds more. And now you can come back and lie down. Eyes turned up, deep breathing, meditating. All right, now you can keep lying down. You keep lying down. Your next exercise is going to be about your hara. Okay, so we are going to work on your core basically. Lie down, please. What you're going to do is keep your hands here under your hip. And what you're going to do is you will lift your legs. My legs are pointing and I'm doing the crisscross. Okay. This sounds like a very normal exercise, but with it, you are going to do breath of fire. So, Kapalbhati. What you're going to do is, now, if it's very tough for you, you can immediately adjust the angle. That is a little easier for you, but not very easy. Very important, because this is getting that stomach line in. This is what is going to work on that. Okay, guys, please get your videos on. If I don't see you, it's a problem. Okay, I don't know if this is going to hurt you because this is going to come on your back. Support it on your hip. Let's begin. Remember, this is breath of fire. chest towards yourself. And stretch. Stretch your bodies. And lie down and meditate. All right. Please come back. Now we are going to do one more exercise, which is going to cover our hara and our back. The next one is a brilliant exercise for your back especially, but if you have injury, you will not attempt for this one. I will show you an alternative, okay? So come on your knees. And now bend back. Please take the support of your heels, your hands on your heels, and go behind. And you will practice breath of fire. Now, be careful. This posture is very critical. If you are not comfortable, it's okay to come here. Have your hands folded up like that. Look towards the sky and breath of fire. This is very critical that if you are not comfortable, please do not attempt for that. We don't want you getting injured. Okay? Let's begin. Remember, Kapalbandi karni hai, breath of fire. Slowly get your head rolling down in the front. Keep it on your chest and meditate. Your chin is touching your chest. If you can see, it is towards my frontal body. Keep breathing. Okay. Moving to our next set, we are going to work with our heart chakra. So, the upper spine. All these exercises are brilliant for your spine. So please practice them, but practice them with caution. For your heart, left hand on your heart, palm facing in the front. Yes, your left hand, okay? You take your right hand and put the palm of your right hand on the left hand. So both the palms are facing each other. You slide and you lock. I'll explain that again. Left hand on your chest, palm facing in the front. Right hand, the palm is going to be placed on the left hand. You will slide and you will lock. Breathe in when you're going up. Breathe out when you're coming down. Let's begin with the rhythmic breath. This is for your heart chakra, remember. Central of life. Now we will move towards chanting. We have cut loads of chords. We have done a lot of work on us. So it's very important for us to heal. And so we will receive the energy from the universe. Deep breathing. You will sit in this same position that you are, whatever is comfortable. Left hand up, palm facing the sky. Yes, it is diagonally up. You're receiving the energy from your left side. Your left side is the receptor of energy. Your eyes are closed. Keep breathing. And you can chant. Get your hands down. Sit and meditate. Remember, your eyes are towards the third eye. Now we are going to move towards our third eye. Okay? So, interlace your fingers. Your fingers will be interlaced. For ladies, for women, left thumb is on the right thumb. For men, it's the other way around. So you will interlace it the other way around, where your right thumb is over the left thumb. Which means, men, your left hand little finger is at the bottom. Okay? So, I'm a woman, I'm going to do my way. Left thumb is on the right thumb. Take it up. This is called Venus lock. Okay? Here, it's the center of your intuition. Close your eyes, deep breaths, and beautiful chanting. Take your hands down. Shake it, shake it. Shake it, shake it. Meditate. And now the last one, which is for our crown chakra and astral body. Okay? So again, interlace your fingers. Thumbprint to thumbprint. आपके अंगूठों का जो print है, उसको मिला लें. Your first finger, index finger, is pointing. Okay? So interlacing, thumbprint to thumbprint, and pointing. Now, bring it up. This is your connectivity with the universe. You must have heard about Secret, right? That famous book. That is what this connection is about. Connect with your universe through your chanting and ask for whatever that you want. Eyes closed, eyes turned up towards your crown, top of your head. And you will start chanting. Take a deep breath. on, shake it, shake it, shake it. Stretch. Stretch your hands. Stretch your spine. Breathe in and hold. And release. You can lie down or sit and meditate. Eyes closed. Turned up towards your third eye. Deep breath.
Birth, life, and death are the greatest experiences that existence has given us. And since we don't know where, when, or how we will die, my conclusion is I must not take my life for granted. I must value it. I must live totally in deep appreciation.
Alright, can we get the chapter? Come back, everyone. Come back. Please come back. Alright. Can we get the track down, Vinay? So, thank you. Okay. Are you guys fine? You can unmute yourself, please. Please unmute yourself. Okay. You can write if you want. There is no problem. आप लिख सकते हैं. Yes, you're fine. I like that. Good, Tabitha. Niharika, you're fine. Sumant, you're okay?
Yeah, I'm good. I'm good.
Good.
Your legs are all right, Niharika? Because
Yeah.
yes, if you
Good.
feel a little sore by evening, just do a little stretch. It will be fine.
I'm used to exercising, so I'm totally fine.
Super. Nice, nice. Sumant, how are you feeling?
Feeling good.
Good. Did Tabitha do anything but just watch? I saw you were watching, huh, all the while. Yep. Okay. All right. Super. Okay, guys. Most of the people I cannot really see. You have not come upon the videos. I hope that you are safe, sound, and fine. Is there any question that you need to ask? Any questions?
I have a question, Ada.
Yes.
The only part which is paining right now is my back. So I have a problem after C-section in my back. Little bit it's paining.
So that happens with everyone who has done a C-section. It's because generally they give you an injection, right?
Yeah.
Did you get that injection also? Yes. And that any kind of movement you will do on your spine, it will cause you a little pain, but that's all right because it will go away. Don't worry about that at all. But do keep doing the exercises for your spine, because see, the whole bit is that it is not used to any exercise, so it is right now suddenly sore. But if you keep doing your spine exercises, the gentle ones, it will help you to strengthen that part.
Okay.
Yes, especially where the injection was given, it is a very delicate stuff, and what they do is crazy. I know a woman goes through a lot during the birth, but well, keep doing your exercises. This is going to really help you. Don't try the one that we did behind. Don't try that next time. Okay? Try and avoid it. It's good for you. This one is very good for you. The one that we did right in the beginning. Yes?
Yeah, thank you.
You're welcome. We have Dikshit with us. Hi, Dikshit.
Hi, Ada.
Why did you keep your video off?
Initially, I was not there. I joined little late, so I thought
You're like me when I was in my school. हम थोड़ी देर हो जाते थे तो अंदर पीछे से छुप के पीछे वाली बेंच पे बैठते थे. टीचर को पता ही ना चले.
ऐसा नहीं है, पीछे से कर रहा था मैं पूरा एक्सरसाइज कर रहा था.
Okay. Good, nice. You're all right, Dikshit. Is there anything that you need to ask?
No. I just wanted to know. I mean, we should do in the early morning only. This one, all this stuff.
Morning are definitely very good for this exercise. There's only Kundalini, Nada, Brahma, which are to be done in the afternoon or the evening time. But rest of all the meditations can be done in the morning.
No, I just asked because I mean we have shifts and all right. I mean that's the reason I wanted to.
Sorry, come again.
We have shifts and all, so I just wanted to confirm whether we have to do the morning itself or the evening time, 4 o'clock or 5 o'clock.
Right. So the whole bit is that till the time you are not doing it near to your sleeping time, because it will take away your sleep. It really energizes you, right? So I do it any time that I get time. I don't really care. The best result obviously comes when you do it in the daytime, when your stomach is empty. That is the most important thing. Till the time your stomach is empty, it's fine. So most of the meditations they say that please do it in the morning, because generally उस वक्त क्या होता है, लोगों के पेट खाली होते हैं. So your breathing is deeper. That's why they say for active meditations. Otherwise, there's no timing as such for it. You can do it whenever you want.
Okay. Yeah? Okay, thanks.
Well, now there was a stage, I told you the third base of this meditation was cord cutting. This was a cord cutting exercise. Again, the one that you did, this one was a cord cutting exercise. Okay. It's very important for us to disconnect from our past experiences, which are not very pleasant. So there are certain people probably who are gone from our lives. There are certain people who have given us little pain, and those memories are inside. We don't even know because we have suppressed them down, right? And then we react out of those memories. Problem is that. So our future comes out of past. So that is why we did some cord cutting for you. It's done in a very intense manner. I just took a very light, like literally a drop of it. But it does work. If you do it for 21 days, you will see the effect. You'll be amazed at what happens when you do this. This has been a record till date. If you do it is a 1 hour, 15 minutes meditation. If you do this for 40 days, I have seen people that I'm trying to disconnect from, they will start calling you because they are deriving energy no matter where they are in the world. But they are still taking that energy from you. So when you cut the cord, there's a subconscious message that goes to them. There is a communication that goes to them, and they don't know why, but they call you. 100% of cases we have experienced that. But this is, if you do a 1 hour, 15 minutes entire thing for 40 days, it's a miraculous meditation. Really nice. Okay, so is there any other question, or if you guys are fine, then I guess we should call it off. We are over the time, as usual. We have crossed the time. You're fine? Yes? Okay, you guys are unmuted again. Niharika, आप unmute कर दीजिए. Tabitha, unmute yourself, please. Yes, great. Okay, so I'm going to
Thanks, Azad.
today. And this time, honestly, there is a tie between two people, and I have to really decide. But I'm going to give away to Niharika.
Oh, thank you.
Huge round of applause for her, everyone. Come on, put up a huge round of applause. The reason being that she was in pain and she still gave it 100% while she was handling her little child. So I think that was commendable.
Thank you.
Commendable. Being a mother and still focusing on yourself is not easy. So thank you so much. Thank you so much, everyone. Let's hear it up once again for HPECSE Bangalore. Come on, everyone. The fabulous effort that they have made to make it comfortable for you to come together and give you some energy. So keep going. Just know that every moment is the last shot. Live it with totality. And I will see you again if you're going to. I don't think you will join, but if you want to, it's 4 p.m. again. I will see you with the same session. See you. Have a good day.
Thank you, Ada. Bye.